Hi and welcome to this Team QSW Quayside and Severnes shop video. Now, as you know, I myself and all the shops have been linked with Severne sales for quite some time now. And so when we heard in early 2015 that Ben Severne was bringing out a board, I was just absolutely hyper excited. Then we saw the images and I just got even more excited. And finally, here we are in November 15 and here we are. The NuEvo is what it's called. Now, there's obviously a lot of talk regarding this board. Yes, it was in the Starboard range. Yes, they were going to drop it simply because when they bring a new model out, they have to take a model out of the range. When they bring a model into the range, they have to bring one out or take one out. So Ben went, well, that's such a good shape for my sales, then do you mind if I adopt it? And obviously being part of the Severne group, that's what happened. But they didn't just take the board, put a new design on it, and away we go. They actually took a look a little deeper. So what is the NuEvo? NuEvo's board ranging from, I think, 73 litres to 120. It is a wave board, but first of all, we just look at it and your jaw drops. It's absolutely stunning. The finish of it is superb. The oranges just absolutely stand out, and the boomerang just designed so simple but massively effective. Coming to constructions, this is the hybrid and seems to be the more popular. And this is mine, which is the 92. So what is it? It's twin fin wave board, and you can tell that immediately because first of all we take the V, look at the V under the board. You can actually see how much I can actually move over there. So you've got the V underneath the board, but look also the rocker. If I can push that there, and you know, there is the rocker. I don't know what you've actually got, but you've got about 1.5 inches under the shoulders of the board. So it's definitely, you can see even by looking at it, you know, this thing's designed for waves. But they've gone with a twin fin design. Oh, I hear you say. Yeah, I've done the same. But whereas the old twin fins which I designed, which were basically, yeah, they made the board very loose, which Severne say that's the case, that's what it makes it do, but just had absolutely no grip at the back. And I found them, unless you had full-on down-the-line waves, just a really loose, ungrippy board that you could never really get going unless you were massively overpowered. And that's not what we want in the UK. But what they did is they took a look at it and first of all set the fins wider at the back to make the board turn even better, but increase the surface area of the fins. So from what I'm told is that I should get the grip on the bottom of this board that I want. They're made of G10, which is good. It's going to make the fin stiffer, so I like my nice sharp locked-in feel. And there you go. So the NuEvo, mine's a 92. I'm going to be taking it out very soon. You do in the pack get these 4 screws, which I must admit I don't quite know what they're for. Strap quality, actually really good. I've never been a big Starboard lover of their straps, but these straps do actually look very good quality. So quite chuffed with that. Set my straps quite narrow. Again, I stress I am not a hardcore wave sailor. So I'm going to see how this goes. I would normally go on like a 5m 5.2 on an 86 board, but talking to Sam Ross, the UK brand manager, he's kind of said, look, go 92 because you can go that bigger literage because of the way this is designed. So I'm going to be taking it out on a 5.2 and maybe even a 5.6 with my S1 Pros. It's going to look stunning, and I'm positively confident this is actually going to really perform well. Looks wise, just knocked me dead. I've never been knocked dead so much in all my life with the design of a board. So look, watch this space. Team QSW, we're going to see how we go.